So we are trying this new product for Isaiah. There's the product, gluten-free Crazies Bites, Brazilian cheese bread. Hopefully Isaiah likes them. Stay tuned. Okay guys, it is finally done baking. This is what we're trying. We're gonna have Isaiah, Isabella, and Dad try this. Do you see that? Yep. Isaiah likes eating cheese balls. So stay tuned. Isaiah, say hi.
Hi.
Look up. You gotta wait. Okay.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so here's the new
Cheese
balls.
Okay, Isaiah's gonna pick that one. Pick that one. Okay, you guys grab one.
Oh, they're nice and hard.
Hold on.
Crispy.
Ooh.
Good bread. You like it?
Yeah.
I like it.
Cheesy and garlicky.
1, 2, 3. Go.
Good bread.
Yeah.
You like it, bud?
Do you really like them?
Yeah. Me too.
This is really good. Do you really like it?
No.
Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. What do you guys think?
Eat it, Isaiah.
Oh, this is just no. Oh.
It's crunchy. It's crunchy bread.
On second thought, So you don't like it?
Yeah, I do.
I do too.
You do like them?
Me too.
All right. So we could buy this now for Isaiah.
2, 3.
It tastes like restaurant style.
Oh.
No.
It's just,
No, eat the whole thing, bud.
it's just like
Garlic cheese.
bonjour style.
Bonjour style?
Oh, Italian style. He means. So look, you guys,
Bonjour
These
is
are-
French.
right there.
They're
I'm
good.
not gonna say the word because Isaiah. And they're Crazies Bites, Brazilian cheese bread. Mmm.
Yeah, they are good.
Gluten, trans fat
Isaiah, eat the
free,
whole thing,
sugar
bud.
free, and soy free.
Don't pick at it or you're not going to get cheese balls anymore. You gotta eat the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't even have a lot of cheese. It just
it's
has the
just
flavor.
Bread and flavors.
Scarlet bread on the inside. Okay. Hope you like this.
So he didn't really like it. That's the truth.
Yeah, it tastes.
Be honest, Isaiah. You could tell me.
It tastes yuck.
And now that he told you, I could tell you how I honestly feel. I did not like it. It's an abomination to a cheese ball.
You still
My
like
daughter
them?
loves everything.
Okay, so Isaiah, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Let Isaiah
Look at the
say.
camera.
Bye. So my mom's gonna make the other ones.
Okay, but say please like.
Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and get us.
Turn on notifications.
Turn on location.
Yeah.
And
Good
hit
job.
that bell.
Hit that bell.
Yeah, there you go. Just hit that bell.
And please subscribe.
No, but seriously, guys, it
And
wasn't
please
good.
subscribe.
But
that subscribe
we'll
Good job.
find something else. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's or something.
Look at the camera.
Oh, I was looking at you. Sorry. Hi, camera.
Pop.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for watching our channel. We have like 412 subscribers. I never thought we would have that many.
Comment on this one.
Thank you, and
Watch.
please watch and subscribe.
And tell us what you think about these cheese balls. Are yucky or not good? Or yummy.
Well,
Okay, let's do a shout out to Little Crazy's house.
Little Crazies, hi. Little Crazies.
House.
House. I know what you're
Go watch her channel. She's funny. She does mukbang, Walmart or store hauls, and good advice. She has a good video up for the new YouTubers. Go watch that channel.
and thanks for watching ours. Like, cause Susie really supports her subscribers as well. So, thank you.
Support our Willie and syndrome.
What?
Isabella.
What?
She's
not bad.
giving you a shout out, Isaiah.
Yeah.
It's okay. Because she
Loves
loves
her
you.
brother.
Okay, bye.
Bye.